Ba 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 ba.
Dum dum.
Ba 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 ba.
Dum dum.
Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da.
Dum dum.
I'm going to start by reading the problem out loud. A coach who is 1.75 meters tall is standing on the side of the pool. He is trying to get the attention of a swimmer. The coach decides to throw a kickboard at her head at a falling rate of -1 meters a second. So that is our change in height, which is dy over dt. If the swimmer is swimming away from the coach at 2 meters a second, which is our change in x, dx over dt, what is the rate of change of the distance of the kickboard when the swimmer is 10 meters away from the coach? So that's our x. And the coach has just released the kickboard. So we are solving for dz over dt. So our given information is our dx over dt, dy over dt, our x, and our y. The first thing to do is to solve for your z, which is your hypotenuse. We have a right triangle, so you can use Pythagorean theorem, which is x squared plus y squared equals z squared. And then all you have to do is plug in the information you have given. X is 10, so 10 squared plus 1.75 squared equals z squared. And then plug this information in your calculator to get z squared equals 103.0625. Square root this number to get z equals 10.152. And that is your z length.
Okay, so now that we've found our z value, we can go and solve for dz dt. And how we do that is we take our Pythagorean theorem and we take the derivative of it. So z squared equals x squared plus y squared. So now we take the derivative, so it would be 2z dz dt equals 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt. And now we just plug in our values. So it's 2 times z, which is 10.152, and we just have dz dt because we don't know what it is yet, equals 2, and our x value is 10, and our dx dt is 2, plus 2, here, parentheses, make it look nicer, and then our y value is 1.7, that's an ugly 7, 5, and then our dy dt is -1. So then you can go and you can cancel out all the 2's, because you can pull out the 2 over this side and take that 2 out. And so then what you would do is you take this value and you divide it by 10.152 to get the dz dt by itself. So now we have dz over dt, and that equals, so 10 times 2 is 20, and then minus 1.75 over 10.152, and plug that into your calculator, and you get 1.798 meters per second.